Today we are going to perform fish posture, Matsyasan, variation 1. Lie down on your back, raise your hands above your head. This is Sthiti or the beginning posture. From here, take your palm support, keep your palms under your shoulder blades, bend your neck, touch your crown region on the floor. 2. Keep your hands by the side of the body. You may place your palms on your thighs, elbows touching to the floor, and maintain with normal breathing. This is variation 1 of the fish posture, the Matsyasan. Its complementary posture is Sarvangasana. After maintaining for 30 seconds to 1 minute, slowly release your hands, place under your shoulder blades. With the support of your palms, release your head, then hands down and relax. Separate your legs, palms facing upward, eyes closed, watch your breath. Relax in Savasana. Matsyasan is very useful for thyroid and respiratory problems. Even it is also useful for diabetes. Remember, those who have spondylitis or any surgery in the thoracic region recently, they should avoid this fish posture. Thank you. Today we will go for Matsyasan, the fish posture, variation 2. Sit in Dandasana, keep your back straight, palms by the side of your buttocks. 1. Like Padmasana, just fold your right leg, keep on your left thigh. 2. Cross your left leg on your right thigh. 3. With the support of your elbows, slowly lie down on your back. 4. Take your palm support under your shoulder blades and touch your crown region on the floor. Catch hold your big toes. Touch your elbows on the floor. Maintain. This is the final posture of Matsyasan. Maintain for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Don't shake your body. This is the complementary posture of Sarvangasana or the stand on shoulder posture. 5. Slowly release your hands. 6. Take your palm support under your shoulder blades and release your head. 7. Release your left leg. 8. Release your right leg. Separate your legs, hands by the side of the body and relax in Savasana. Palms facing upward, eyes closed. Relax for a while with normal breathing. This posture is very useful for respiratory problems like those who have asthma, bronchitis, and it is also useful for thyroid and diabetes. Remember, if you have problem with spondylitis or neck pain, or if you have any surgery in the upper part of your body recently, then avoid this posture. Thank you. Today we are going to do Matsyasana, the fish posture 3, variation 3. This is the complementary posture of Sarvangasana or the stand on shoulder posture. This is Sthiti or beginning posture. Legs together, hands above your head. From here, fold your right leg at the knee. Keep on your left thigh. 2. Fold your left leg at the knee and keep on your right thigh. 3. Place your palms under your shoulder blades. Bend your neck. Touch the crown region of your head on the floor. 4. Now hold your big toes of your both legs and touch your elbows on the floor. This is the final posture of Matsyasana. Maintain for 30 seconds to 1 minute with normal breathing. It is very useful for thyroid, respiratory problems and diabetes. 5. Slowly release your hands. 6. With the support of your palms, release your neck. 7. Release your left leg. 8. Release your right leg. Hands down and relax in Shavasana. Eyes closed.